Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video friends, I will share you beautiful crochet cushions design ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start to the video. Friends, simple elegant crochet cushions cover. I am sharing a beautiful crochet cushions cover design. This design is simple, elegant and perfect for home decoration. It is made with soft yarn and base stitches. The pattern creates a neat and cozy texture, which make your sofa or bed look very stylish. You can use white or pastel color for a clean look or bright color for a lively touch. This is perfect for budget for beginners, easy to make and very useful for everything home decoration. Handmade cushions always bring warmth and comfort to a room. So try this design and add beauty to your home. Flower cushions design. Look at this beautiful flower crochet cushion cover. This design is inspired by flowers and natural and weavers. Each flower's motif is made separately and then joined together to create a full cushion cover. You can use colorful yarn like pink, yellow and green to make it bright and cheerful. These designs look perfect for living room and bedrooms. It's bring a fresh and happy feeling into your home. Modern minimal crochet cushion. Friends, this pattern is clean, simple and stylish. It uses base stitches to create a smooth texture, perfect for modern homes and minimal decor lovers. You can use natural colors like gray, cream or white. It's match any sofa or beds sitting easily. Simple design but very elegant and trendy. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more videos, updates, reviews. So Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.